Hey guys, this is how to fix bet365 app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions, and for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So for the first solution, it's just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and go for the search bar at the top and search for the application. And now after that, just simply go ahead and tap on the application, and when there is an update you should be able to update it here, and just make sure you are running the latest version for this solution. And another thing, just simply tap on the three dots over here on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now for the next solution, just simply go to the settings into your device, and after that just simply scroll down guys and try to find apps, and after that just simply go ahead and find bet365 over here and tap on it. And now from here, just simply tap on storage and tap on clear cache, and you should be able to fix the issue. If it still doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to reset the app and you should be able to get it working again. Now, for the next solution is just simply go ahead and go to the application and hold it and go for uninstall and tap on OK, and just simply go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And from there, guys, you should be able to get your application working again. There you go. If you still have issues with the app, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out.